Today I would like to share an observation that seems to be a worldwide phenomenon. You know the real English. So I'm talking about building your own community. So many people go to places, leave their homes and families and where they came from, and go to places that are totally foreign and new. They go there, of course, for all kinds of different reasons. Very often it is unbearable for them to stay where they are. And then sometimes it is that it's not enough, or it's too restricting, or too limiting, or they want to get themselves out of a certain, maybe even trauma or something like that, and go out into this world to other places where they feel, oh wow, this is where I feel at home. This is the energy of the land, of the people, of the communities out there where I resonate with my energy. So, and then they say, okay, that is now my family. I want to say something from a systemic point of view. Your family will always be your family. And when you can integrate that and take it further, you build strong roots and you move forward with a good energy. You take the good with you and leave the bad behind. Not a lot of people do that though. And then it always comes back. So the community that you build from anew is then the new chosen community. Don't ever think you can replace them with a family and the other way around, because that is very, very limiting and burdening. Versus when we can show gratitude to what we have received, we can heal and leave behind and let go of what was not so good. Integrate what needs to be integrated, and then use this experience, this wisdom, this knowledge that comes from that, not suppressed, but very conscious choice of building a new community. Then the new community doesn't have to have the burden of being the replacement family or something like that because something went wrong or so. And also they don't have to, take anything away from one another. It's not a competition. This can be there where I come from, but also the new can then thrive and expand and grow and flourish in a totally new way when it can be the chosen community. And everything that I do with it is then exponentially growing in a very empowering way. And that can create a good togetherness, respect to where I come from, but also that growth is always allowed because it's not connected to a negative judgment from the past. So what do you think?